Imagine running your business 24/7 without missing a single call. No hiring, no stress, no burnout. Imagine running your business 24/7 without missing a single call. No hiring, no stress, no burnout. Now imagine an AI receptionist that answers every customer politely, schedules appointments, transfers calls, and even remembers names, all automatically. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's real. And today, I'll show you exactly how this AI receptionist is changing the way small businesses operate forever. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand how it works, why it's exploding in popularity, and how you can try it today using the link in the description. Let's be honest, managing calls is hard. If you're a small business owner, you already know the struggle. Calls come in while you're busy serving clients. Customers hang up after 2 rings. You can't afford a full-time receptionist. And even when you do, there are sick days, off hours, human errors, and, let's not forget, the rising costs of salaries. Statistics show that 68% of customers never call back if their first call isn't answered. That's potentially thousands of dollars lost every year, just from missed calls. This is exactly where AI steps in. An AI receptionist isn't just an answering machine. It's a fully automated system powered by advanced voice recognition and natural language processing, meaning it understands you like a real human would. Here's what it can do. Answer incoming calls 24/7. Greet customers with your business name and tone. Take messages or forward important calls. Book appointments directly into your calendar. Even handle basic customer service requests. Think of it as having your own digital employee, one that never sleeps, never complains, and costs a fraction of a salary. Some systems can even detect the mood of the caller and adjust their tone accordingly. That's not just automation. That's smart conversation. So how does this AI receptionist pull it off? Let's break it down. 1. Voice recognition. When someone calls, the AI listens and converts the speech into text. 2. Natural language processing. It analyzes what the caller said, identifying intent, urgency, and keywords. 3. Decision engine. Based on the context, it chooses the right response, whether to answer a question, route the call, or take a message. 4. Text-to-speech. It responds in a natural, friendly voice that sounds like a real human. And because it's AI, it keeps learning. The more calls it handles, the smarter and faster it becomes. You can even customize its greeting. Imagine a friendly voice saying,
"Hi, you've reached the income grid. How can I help you today?"
professional, polite, perfect. Businesses across the world are already saving time and money using AI receptionists. Take, for example, local clinics, scheduling appointments without human staff, real estate agencies, handling property inquiries even after hours, online stores, managing order updates and customer support calls. One business owner reported saving over $2,000 a month after switching to an AI receptionist, all while providing better customer service. Customers love it too. No more waiting on hold. No robotic, press 1 for this, press 2 for that. Just natural conversation. Here's what makes AI receptionists a game changer. 24/7 availability, always open, even on holidays. Consistent service, no moods, no breaks, no mistakes. Scalable, whether you get 10 calls or 1,000, it handles them all. Affordable, a fraction of the cost of hiring a full-time human. Integrations, syncs with Google Calendar, CRM systems, and even WhatsApp. It's like upgrading your business to autopilot mode. This isn't just the future, it's happening right now. AI receptionists are becoming as common as chatbots. In a few years, it'll be unusual not to have one. Think about it. The businesses that adopt AI early will save the most time, impress more customers, and grow faster than their competitors. If you want to see this in action, and even test it yourself, I've left a link in the description below. Try out this AI receptionist for your business and see how much time and money you'll save. Remember, every missed call could be a missed opportunity. Let AI handle the calls, so you can focus on growing your business. This is the future of communication, and it starts today. Try out this AI receptionist for your business and see how much time and money you'll save. This is the future of communication, and it starts today.